Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 585 investments in 2016. So this is a medium complexity interview problem related to the sequels. So we are going to go through this problem today. We are going to understand this problem with some examples, and we are also going to implement our SQL query solution to solve this coding problem. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. Also click on the bell notification icon button right away so you won't miss any important postings from this channel. Here we create videos to help others in their interview preparation and learning different computer science concepts along with data structures, algorithms, problem solving, logic building, programming and coding. So let's start. So insurance table is given to us as you can see here. So it has 5 columns, right? PID is int, TIV 2015 is float, TIV 2016 is float, LAT is float, LON is float. PID is the primary key column for this table. Each row of this table contains information about one policy where PID is the policy holder's policy ID. TIV 2015 is the total investment value. So TIV stands for total investment value, right, in 2015. And TIV 2016 is total investment value in 2016. LAT is latitude of the policyholder city. It's guaranteed that LAT is not null. And LON is longitude of policyholder city. It's guaranteed that LON is also not null, right? So it's a policy related information. Write a SQL query to report sum of all total investment values in 2016 TIV underscore 2016 for all policy holders who have the same TIV 2015 value as one or more other policy holders and are not located in the same city like any other policy holder. That is, latitude longitude attribute pairs must be unique. Round TIV 2016 to 2 decimal places. This query result format is in the following example. Right, so there are two things we have to consider when we find the total TIV 2016 value, right? One is that the policy holders they have the same TIV 2015 value, right, as one or more policy holders, and their location should be unique. That latitude longitude pair should be unique. So let's take a look at this example. So you can see here that for this first record their latitude longitude is 1010, and the fourth record their latitude longitude is 4040. So this latitude longitude combination is unique here. So no other policy holder that has that combination, correct? And their 2015 TIV value is same, correct? This value 10, this value is also 10, correct? So it means that we have to add this 5 and 40. 5 and 40 we have to add to get 45 here, right? So this one will give you TIV 2016 according to their conditions, right? So that's what they are explaining here. The first record in the table, like last record, meets both of the criteria. TIV 2015 value 10 is same as third and fourth record. So this 10 is matching with some other values, right? That's what they are saying. So have the same TIV 2015 value as one or more other policy holders, and their locations are unique, correct? This location 1010 is not happening anytime, so this is unique. 4040 is also unique, correct? So you have to add 5 plus 40 you have to add. Why we did not consider these two? Because their latitude longitude location is not unique, correct? 2020 is appearing multiple times, so you cannot consider these two records basically, correct? So that's what they are saying. The second record does not meet any of the two criteria because its 20 value is not appearing anywhere, right? So it's not meeting the criteria. Latitude longitude is not unique here. The first criteria is met, but the second criteria is not met, where the latitude longitude is not unique, correct, for the third record. So that's what they are saying here. So the result will be first and last records TIV sum, right? So 5 plus 40 will give you 45. That is the answer, right? So this is what the problem says. So I hope you understood the problem clearly now with this example. So here we can, today I will just show you a simple solution in MySQL where you can use where exist clause and where not exist clause, right? So to solve this problem. So you can just write a simple MySQL query like this. So select round sum TIV 2016, 2. So we are rounding it to 2 decimal places. We are summing the values of TIV 2016 column as TIV 2016 from insurance A where exist, right? Where exists. So what we are checking that this value TIV 2015 value of A should match with some other record as well, right? So select star from insurance where PID is not equal to A.PID and TIV 2015 is equal to A.TIV 2015. It means that the TIV 2015 value is same with at least some of the records, right? And their PIDs are different, okay? And not exist, right? And not exist. So we want to make sure that the locations are different now, right? Select star from insurance where PID is not equal to A.PID and lat comma long is equal to A.lat comma A.long, right? So it means that that same location should not exist in that table. So it should be unique basically, correct? The latitude, longitude location should be a unique location, right? That's what they are saying here. Okay, so I hope you understood this query. So this is pretty straightforward. So we just used the where exist clause here. So what this where exist clause is doing is we are finding other records where it has the same TIV value, TIV 2015 value, right? That we found here. And then we also want to make sure that the records longitude and latitude, that latitude longitude combination should be unique. So that one we are doing here. So it should not exist anywhere, that latitude longitude combination A.lat A.lon should not exist basically, right? So not exist, correct? So this is the way you can use where exist and where not exist, both clause here, right? So let's run this query now, make sure it gives us correct answers. So we are expecting 45.00. We are getting 45, which is a correct answer here, as you can see output. So we'll submit this code now to the Leetcode, make sure this query gets accepted. As you can see, the query is successfully accepted by the Leetcode. It is almost 73% faster on the performance side. This is how you can write down this SQL query solution for Leetcode 585 investments in 2016. So I hope you understood this problem and this SQL query solution clearly today and completely. So the important things to note here is we have used sum function, round function. We have used two different important clauses, right? Where exist and where not exist, right? So I'll add this SQL query solution for you in my GitHub repository and give you the link of my GitHub repository in the description so that you can check out the other programming solutions there as well. There are lots of other programming like MySQL, Oracle, Java J2E solutions are available there for you. Those are recently asked questions by big companies, so make sure you go through them. They will give you more insight about how to implement the programming solutions for different coding interview problems. If you like the programming solutions in the GitHub repository, consider giving it a star on the GitHub repository. That would be great. If you are new to this channel, there is a very important coding interview related playlist to help your interview rounds. It is called as Leetcode and Leetcode Solutions. More than 200 most frequently asked very important coding interview problems are compiled for you under one playlist. Those problems are asked by many big companies including Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Yahoo, Uber, Lyft, LinkedIn, Netflix and many others many times in their past interviews. They are very important coding interview problems. Make sure you go through all of them, understand them thoroughly. If you go through all those videos and problems, you are going to learn a lot about data structures, algorithms, problem solving, logic building, programming and coding. It will also help you learn lots of new techniques, new ways of problem solving. So do check out the solved problems. The name of the playlist is Leetcode and Leetcode Solutions. Now if you are a fresher, junior level developer and you want to practice more coding problems for your interview preparation, To help you with your practicing, we have created 3 other playlists for you here on this channel. The names of those playlists are Code Forces, CodeChef, AtCoder. If you go to the playlist of this channel, you will find those playlists listed out there. Lots of interesting, important and exciting problems are waiting for you there. If you like today's SQL query solution for this problem 585 investments in 2016, then please give it a thumbs up to the video, give it a like to the video, subscribe to this channel. Subscriptions are very important because that's how the videos can reach to other people, so others will also be able to watch and learn from this channel. Click on the bell notification icon button right away, so you will always get immediate notifications for all our upcoming interesting solved coding problems videos here. On this channel, we have created lots of solved problems that you can use to prepare well for your interview rounds. You can use them to learn more data structures and algorithms. The important coding questions varieties includes dynamic programming, graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees, breadth first search, depth first search, cadence algorithm, binary search algorithm, Kruskal's algorithm, Dijkstra algorithm, sliding window algorithm. There are lots of other important data structures related coding interview problems are also available for you here on this channel, including stacks, queues, priority queues, hash table, hash map, reset, hash set, linked hash map, linked hash set, arrays, linked list. All are important problems. They are selective problems. Those are asked by big companies in their recent rounds of interviews to mid-level and junior level development positions. So make sure you go through them and understand them very well. They will give you good preparation for your interview rounds, will help you learn more concepts of computer science and programming. If you're planning to take any Java rounds of interviews, there are lots of Java related videos we have created on this channel to help others. For example, frequently asked Java telephonic interview questions and how to answer them. Java design patterns, Java architecture, SQL programming questions to the freshers, where they will give you database tables. They will ask you to write SQL queries, where you may have to use different database concepts like inner join, outer join, left outer join, right outer join, aggregate operations, group by and having clauses, different where clause conditions, important windowing and ranking functions along with partitioning. Everything is available on this channel and demoed with examples so that you can easily understand and follow those solutions. There are videos that discusses recently asked questions about Unix, like Unix commands, Unix utilities, shell scripting questions. Soon we are going to be bringing lots of SQL related programming videos here on this channel to help others. For example, you can use those videos to learn more database concepts like how joins work, how to write joins, how aggregate functions work, and we also will be demoing how to use them in solving problems. So you can also use those videos to learn more SQL programming preparations so that you can also learn how to write SQL queries in programming interview problems. There are videos coming soon on this channel about Unix as well, where we are showing you how to use Unix utilities, Unix commands with some practical examples. So you can also learn it from this channel. If the videos on this channel are useful and helpful for you, you are learning more coding and programming by watching these videos, then do leave your messages and feedback below these videos. Your feedback is very important for us. They increase our motivation to create more quality content videos on this channel to help others. So do leave your messages and feedback and tell us how the videos are useful for you. If you want us to create videos about any specific computer science related topics, then mention those topics as well in the below's comment section so that we can create those videos for you here. Keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems, and most importantly, keep your learning process and practicing going on continuously. And thanks for watching these videos.